And this is Chris with Tanya. Tanya's going to run through the Unanet application that we have for our timesheets. So Tanya, if you can just kind of walk us through the process of adding our hours.
Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to download the app from your phone. You can go to your app store and download Unanet. If you do this, no matter what time it is of the day, you should be able to record your time. Your time should be recorded by 9 p.m. every night. So every night by 9 p.m., please make sure that your time is recorded. Even if you are taking a holiday, please record that too. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to time. After you go to time, you want to go to list. When you do that, you will see a plus sign that says timesheet. You want to click on the timesheet on the plus sign. It will create a new timesheet, and then hit save and a new timesheet will come up. The next thing you want to do is to start recording your hours. You want to put your project in, your task number, and your pay code. I'm going to use Roy as an example. He is putting in Northrop Grumman. This, for his tasks, he selects the task. In this case, he only has one. There may be some situations where you will have multiple tasks. Select the task that you're looking for. You can add multiple rows by simply putting in a number here, selecting it, and you can have multiple rows and you can have multiple hours to go to each one to come to the total amount of hours per day.
Can I create my own task, Tanya?
No, you cannot. If you have a task that you do not see, you should send me an email with the task description. Be very specific, and I will set it up. So you cannot create your own task.
Thank you.
If you have a meeting within the company that is not billable to the customer, you want to go to you want to go to your new line. You want to go to Trusted GA. You want to go to Administrative Time, and your pay code is GA, and you want to put your time here. That is how you would do that. If you have straight overtime, you want to put your project here, your task here, and then select straight overtime and put your hours here. You have multiple selections. That after you've completed it for the week, after you've recorded it every night, you want to hit submit. Once you hit submit, then somebody, most likely me, will approve it. If I'm approving it and I see an error with it, I will usually reach out to you and ask you to make an adjustment.
What's the save button for?
You should hit save and submit. I'm sorry. We missed that step. So you want to go to save and submit.
Do I hit save after every time I enter my time, or
every time you enter your time?
Okay.
Save.
So after every day, I'll hit save.
Do not hit submit till the end of the pay period.
Okay.
So if you're on a 2-week pay period, you're going to hit, that's a very good question. If it's a 2-week pay period, you're going to hit save every day. At the end of the 2 weeks, you're going to hit submit. At the end.
Okay.
If you're on a 1-week pay period, you're going to hit save every day and submit when you hit the last one.
Okay.
I do know if you have no hours and you put 0 in there and you hit save, you will not see the hours, but when you submit, it will populate over.
Okay.
That's been a question too, that 0 hours doesn't show. Don't worry about it. That's fine.
So when do I submit? Can I submit it on Sunday, or do I have to submit it on Friday? What if I work over the weekend?
I would submit it if you're working over the weekend and you know you're going to work over the weekend, submit it on Sunday. Submit it when
Okay.
you have your last hours in.
Okay.
If you do submit it on Friday and then realized, oh no, I forgot, I need to do some work, and you need to adjust it. You can do that. You can go to time list. If you look at your list, you'll have down here, you will have where it should say completed timesheets. It's locked. You can
Okay.
actually edit these by penciling in here. It says, do you want to create an adjustment? I do. I want to create adjustment. You want to